when he goes to the ground, he'll not remove his coat, and his master will look at him very aggressively and tell, I am not going to give you a leave. Now Swami becomes more desperate. He doesn't know how he has to escape this class. Swaminathan became desperate and pursued him. Sir, I am in a terrible state of health. I can't attend drill today. I shall die if I do. See what excuses he'll give. Even you all will tell, no, ma'am, stomach pain. Though you will not have any stomach pain, you'll tell, ma'am, stomach pain, washroom, water. These are the excuses you all give. Here, Swaminathan, what excuse is given? If I attend your class only, I'll die. See how clever the student is. The drill master had come to the last boy, and yet Swaminathan was dodging him. He turned round on Swaminathan with a fierce oath. What is the matter with you? So now Swaminathan kept telling the same dialogue again and again. If I attend, I'll die. If I attend, I'll die. So drill master gets angry and asks, what is wrong with you, Swami? Sir, the whole of last night I was delirious. The drill master was stunned by this piece of news. You were delirious? See, he'll tell, I was delirious last night. But what is the meaning of delirious? You become restless when you fall sick, right? When you have when you have mild fever, you neither feel like eating nor drinking. What happens to you? You'll be in a confused state of mind. So what the Swami will tell, I am delirious. Because of this delirious, I didn't sleep last night. What excuse he's giving? At times you all also do the same thing. You all don't know what you speak, but you all give an excuse. Yes? I didn't sleep a wink last night. In the sense, I didn't even wink my eyes, neither I closed them. Our doctor said so. He has asked me not to attend drill for a week to come. He didn't even go to the doctor. In advance, he is giving a statement telling my doctor has told. I don't believe a word. Get out. Now master is telling, I don't even believe one single word of yours. You better get out from here. Everybody at the field was happy to see him so early. So now Swami is so happy that the master shouted at him and he told him to get out. He went to the practice happily, and the team is so happy to see Swami early. The next morning, he formed a plan to be free all the evenings of the week. It was 7:30 in the morning and he had still 2.5 hours before him for the school. Usually in village sides, what happens is the doctors have small clinics. Yes, and in village side, everybody they start up their days very early. They wake up early in the morning, do all their works, and then they start up with whatever work they have. So here, Swaminathan's school timings were 9:30. Yes, so what he does, he'll go to the doctor early in the morning, 2 hours before school. Since by 7:30, he'll go to the doctor's clinic and see what doctor tells. Swaminathan quietly slipped out of the house. Now, just because his parents will shout at him, without informing anybody, he'll leave the house early. He stood before a shop in front of which hung the board, Dr. T. Kesavan, LM and S. Shri Krishna Dispensary. So in front of the shop of Krishna Dispensary, there was a doctor's board hanging, and what the name of the doctor was? T. Kesavan. Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free and entered the shop. So he found that there was nobody in the doctor's cabin, so he'll enter the clinic. Hello, Swaminathan, what is the matter? Doctor is telling, hello, what happened? Doctor, I have got to have a doctor's certificate immediately. When you fall sick, you need to produce a medical certificate, yes? So same thing here, Swaminathan also tells. What is the matter with you? I will tell you the truth, doctor. I have to play a match next week against the Young Men's Union. So YMU stands for Young Men's Union, and I must have some practice. And yet every evening there is a drill class, scouting some dirty period or other. Yes, what happens when you have continuous classes from morning till the last period? You'll get bored, tired. More than bored, you'll be very tired, and you'll not be active enough to attend the next class. So he'll tell, every day I have some or the other dirty period in the evening, and I have cricket match. I request you to give me a medical certificate telling that I am sick and I can't attend the class. If you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help me and the MCC to win the match. So he'll tell that, you please, if you give me a certificate, that will be of great help. Well, I could do it, but is there anything wrong with you? So doctor is telling, I can do it, but is something wrong with you? Swaminathan took half a second to find an answer. Certainly, I am beginning to feel of late that I have delirium. See what this in front of you, can never lie to a doctor, because you will be transparent enough to the doctor. You will tell what you're suffering with. Yes? So here Swaminathan will tell, I think I'm suffering from delirium. And see what doctor tells now. I can't say exactly, but isn't it some kind of stomach ache? So the Swami doesn't even know that it's a feeling of restlessness. So he'll tell doctor, I think it's stomach ache. Yes, doctor? The doctor laughed till a great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. The doctor burst out of laughter till he got a choke. After that, he looked Swaminathan under the eye, examined his tongue, tapped his chest, and declared him to be in the pink of health. So, doctor examines. When you go to the doctor, what happens? Very first thing, stethoscope. Doctor will wear his stethoscope and starts checking your heartbeat, temperature, everything. And then what happens? And now, doctor will also examine your eyes and your tongue. Doctor will tell you to open your mouth. Put out your tongue. Yes. And now doctor will tell you're all fit and fine. Pink of health is you're absolutely fine. And told him he would do well to stick to his drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. He told, if you want to get rid of delirium, if you want to come to a peace of mind, you need to attend the drill class. Swaminathan again explained to him how important it was for him to have his evenings free. So again he'll give a long explanation telling, if my captain has all hopes on me, please help me. But the doctor said, it is all very well, but I should be prosecuted if I gave you any such certificate. So doctor tells that if I give you a false medical certificate, I will become a criminal and I'll be behind the bars, that they will jail me. Who is going to find it out? Doctor? Do you want a MCC to lose the match? See now how Swaminathan is asking, who is going to go and tell anybody that you gave me a certificate? Who will find out all this? You want MCC to win the lose the match? Swaminathan is cross-questioning the doctor only. I wish you all success. Don't worry, I can't give you a certificate, but I shall talk to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. That will do. You are very kind to me, doctor. So here Swaminathan, after he asks, you want us to lose the match, doctor will tell, I wish you success always. Don't worry, I will come to your school. I will explain the teacher about how important this match is, and I'll surely make your evenings free. So the Swaminathan will thank doctor and tell, doctor, you're really very kind. Thank you. I hope you've understood the lesson. Now your classwork is on page 21. You have glossary that has to be written down neatly, and when you come to page 24, you have a second main under which you have questions 1, 2 and 3. That will be your homework, and that will also be written in your classwork. I hope you've understood the lesson and even the classwork and homework part. Thank you. And what did you learn from this lesson? Yes, we learned from this lesson that you should always be honest, speak truth. Let it be anything. Let the situation be difficult enough, but always speak truth instead of giving wrong excuses, false excuses. Understood? Yes, good.